Hey everybody, Fish Tank here. So we are on the south end of South Lake. We're in South Lake Tahoe on the thanks baby sandwich. We are in South Lake Tahoe on the south end of Lake Tahoe. I'll spin the camera around here in just a minute. But I'm here with my pretty little family, Allie, Savannah, and Sydney, and Chef and Ross over there. And Feinschmecke and little Christopher Jr. Little Christopher Jr. wasn't feeling good. He got sick this morning. What a bummer. So they're back at the room. They got him some things to settle his stomach, and he took it. He fell asleep. So Feinschmecke will bring him down in a little while. We just got some good news though, right? Yeah. I mean, bad but good. Yeah. You want to just real quick in a nutshell?
She just had her lung removed due to lung cancer last year, and then today had surgery, and they removed 2 lymph nodes that looked like they were bad. And the surgery was successful. They removed the lymph nodes, but they were cancerous, so it's good that they're out. So bad news that it's cancerous, but good that they're out. And then.
But they nicked her spleen.
They nicked her spleen, which is, I guess, normal in some cases, but it's going to be okay.
So, bad news that the damn cancer came back, but good news that they were able to remove it. She does have quite a tough road to hoe with chemo. With chemo and radiation, but it could be worse, so we're real thankful for that. But so here we are. I got my girls making me sandwiches, and we're sitting here. There's the lake. We rented these couple of really expensive umbrellas, and I paid a fortune for 2 chairs. But look what the fish tank's got, everybody. Fish tank's got his Mountain Dew, his little ladies, we rented a couple of these paddle boards for 2 days. We'll be here today and tomorrow, and we're just having fun. So Susan, we love you. And I'm sorry to put this out on the social media like this, and Allison will edit what needs to be edited, but friends and family and strangers who had followed this journey from the start have become my friends, even though I haven't met them. They're aware of what's going on, and we all are rooting for you, Susan. Hey everybody, Fish Tank here, sitting on the south shore of sunny Lake Tahoe, South Lake Tahoe. Got the Feinschmecke and his brew right over there, and Fish Tank family right there. And there's my 3 girls out there on the paddleboard, towing around Mama on the inner tube, and there's Roz. There they are. So what I did to surprise the girls was I booked a 7-day cruise down to Belize and Roatan, Honduras, and the Grand Caymans. So I surprised them at lunch yesterday. I'll post a video. They thought they were actually going to have to say goodbye to me again. I told them, no, I'm coming home with you and to pack your bag. So it was actually pretty cool. Here they come.
Thank you. Do you want to help us build it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
are leaving South Lake Tahoe, and we're heading. It's about 5:45 in the morning. We're leaving South Lake Tahoe and heading home. It's going to be a great day. We've got how long of a drive, baby?
8.5 hours.
Huh? We've got about an 8.5 hour drive in the Big Black here, my diesel, and we're heading home. But I hope this finds everybody healthy, happy, and well, and that you're having a great day, afternoon, evening, graveyard shift, whatever it may be for you. Life is good. Life is great. Life is what you make it. Have a great time, and if you're not, don't be afraid to get out there and make a change. So, till next time, Fish Tank out. To see some things never change. Less than 30 minutes on the road. All three of my co-pilots are out cold. Giddy up. That, my friends, is the Bonneville Salt Flats. And they go on forever, and yes, it's really salt. What you working on, little girl?
A video?
What kind of a video?
No. Many videos.
Of what?
Of you.
The PCT.
The PCT.
Yes, you're a little slow.
I'm a little slow. There's a lot going on, but I just like to keep people on their toes.
And that you do. Alright, so this is my street. And this is my house. Alright, should we run over and surprise Grandma?
Yes.
Okay, so this is my mom's house.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
There's my big boy. Not so big anymore. Go get him. Oh. I've been sitting a while. My word, you've got a lot of hair.
You're on camera. Give me a hug.
Oh.
All right, everybody. This is Fish Tank's mom. Her name is Colleen, but we call her Mima. So this is Fish Tank. This is my mama. And you knew I was coming home, right?
I knew you were coming home, but I'm so glad to see you.
I've walked 1,000 miles.
I know you have, dear.
Look how much weight I've lost.
I know. I wish I could do that, but I'm not going to walk 1,000 miles.
Yeah. So this is my mom, and my stepdad Jeff's. He's not here. He's at work. He works at one of the local colleges, but he'll be home shortly, and we'll say hi to him.
Nate's here.
Oh my gosh! It's Quentin, my little nephew. What's up, buddy? What do you call me?
Uncle Jason Bear Killer.
You gotta say it to the camera.
Uncle Jason Bear Killer.
He doesn't ever hold still.
All right. Uncle Jason, Bear Killer, Fish Tank, out. Hey everybody. So I was inside unpacking. My daughter came running in, says Papa's here, which to them is my stepfather Jeff. So I got to get him on the vlog. So I want you guys to meet him. Hey, there he is.
All right. Look at this guy.
Yes. We already. This is one of my bigger supporters. This is my stepdad Jeff.
Hey everyone.
And this is his house. You guys, we were already here a minute ago, but he works at one of the local colleges for. He's been there, geez, forever.
Yep, 25 years.
Yeah, 25 years, and they live right next door. And so there's my mom again. And she was
Hey, everybody.
upset earlier because she didn't have any eye makeup on. But you had an eye exam today.
I was checked for
Okay, so-
macular degeneration.
So here you go. Put those on.
And they had to dilate
Don't
my
scratch
eyes.
those. Those are my brand new ones. There. We'll do this over again. There's Fish Tank's mom.
Hi, everybody.
All right, and there's Fish Tank's stepdad.
Hey everyone. We're
So-
glad to have him back.
All right, everybody.
Here we are.
Super, super happy. Super, super smiling. I already went in. The cat attacked me. Knocked the glasses off my head. The new glasses off my head. But this is my house. This is the Fish Tank's house. It's really hot outside. It's, I don't know what the temperature says. It's about 98 degrees, but still bittersweet. But this is where I need to be. We are going to go over to the hospital now and see Allison's mom, but we're not going to video that for obvious reasons. But just really thankful. I appreciate all the support, all the followers, all the great comments, and please stay subscribed. I don't want to lose anybody. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my summer. I'm going to go on a bike ride up to the Oregon coastline, up into Washington and down into NorCal with a couple of friends of mine, Daryl and Ron. They don't know I'm coming yet. They don't even know I'm home yet, but I'm going to go with them. Really cool, but my journey has not ended here. I just need to be home for my wife, kids, and my mother-in-law, and I want to be home for my wife, my children, and my dear mother-in-law. So thank you all so much for your support. I know I've said this over and over and over. Love you all. Thank you very much. What do you have to say, baby?
Thanks for the support.
See ya.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.